Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. It's a special custom job for my buddy Nick. And what we're going to do is demo it here real quickly. Now, I apologize for the low key. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I've got a charter to get on here in a moment. But I thought I'd get this thing going because Nick's been waiting long enough for this guitar. Let's get the sound demos. I'm not going to get into all that funky play along stuff. I'm just going to start with the pickups in the middle. Now all the specs are over here in the description, so check those out. Alright, now here we go. So this is all neck pickup. Alright, now bridge pickup. And they do have coil tapping. And again, I'm going direct in. You can see with the DAW open in the back. I don't, so I won't have amp distortion on it, but here's a little buzz box. Basically it. I mean, that's the sounds that you can make. And then of course from there, anybody can start making music, especially a good musician. And that's it. Yeah. So it is exactly what it looks like. It is a baritone guitar. But let me tell you about this baritone 12 string that makes it a little special. Is Nick wanted some locally sourced woods. And so that's what we've got here. This is a coastal pine that a buddy of mine was able to find. And you know, this was not a tree that he felled. This was a tree that actually was in one of our parks that fell, and then the city said, hey, come get it. So he did. And there you go. So it's pretty cool. It's a one-of-a-kind piece, and I've got to go load a boat and get out of here. So you folks have a great day, and thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.